Welcome back everyone, Meanpooh here, and in part 1 I was intentionally trying to get a virus on the computer and I succeeded. Now we're at that point that a lot of people find themselves in. You turn on your computer and you have pop-ups, antivirus programs running from unknown brands, and your computer is just sluggish. In an attempt to try and regain control of your computer, you try to uninstall the software. And as you try, the programs just keep installing as soon as you uninstall them. Even when it looks like they're gone, they try to return as soon as you reboot. You have a few options available to you to rid yourself of this problem. You could take it to a PC repair shop, or you could use a system restore drive. If you don't spend the money at a repair shop, at least you can use the system restore drive, but what if you didn't make one? Well, you're not out of luck just yet. What you need to do is hit the Windows key and type Settings. Then go to Update and Security. Next, go down to Recovery. Then to the upper right, click Get Started under Reset this PC. You will be presented with two options. The first being Keep My Files, which will put all your photos, videos, documents in a folder for you to retrieve later after the restore. The second, Remove Everything, will leave nothing behind. So make sure you always make backups of your important files such as photos and home videos, because you just can't get those back. Since our computer is infested, we will choose this option. The next screen will present us two more options. The first, just remove my files, is for the home user that is just trying to restore their computer like us, and we're just trying to get it back and running. The second option, remove my files and clean the drive, will do exactly as it says. Nothing will be left on the drive, and it will probably run multiple passes of ones and zeros to make the data unrecoverable. This will also take a long time to perform. When it's done, you can then take the computer and donate it or sell it. Be aware that there are people out there that will buy computers just to run scans on the hard drive and retrieve data that you thought you might have erased. So we're going to pick that first option. The next window will give you a summary of what it's going to do and tells you that it's going to take a while. If you're happy with your options, click Reset. The process took a little over 90 minutes for me, specifically an hour and 35 minutes. This can be run unattended, so take a walk or something. Or you can just watch it, doesn't matter. Like I mentioned in the last video, all the custom software that makes factory restored disks will be gone unless it's on a separate partition. So just double check. After you set up your account, your computer should be back to normal. If you open your task manager, your usage may be a little high for just a few minutes, which is typically normal as Windows is finalizing things to your account. It's probably doing some other things too, but I don't know the specifics. It just happens. If you have an Acer Nitro 5, just head over to the Acer support and go to the drivers section. Put in your model number and you'll be able to install your missing drivers, documents, etc. Now you're finished. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Meanpooh, out.